Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor and privilege to have you here today. It's the 2024 MasterChef press launch. This is going back a long time. I've got a list of things to say, but I'm just going to go with the flow. I want to talk my mind and how I feel about MasterChef and how I feel about the hospitality industry as in whole. Basically, Indian restaurants across the country, there's about 14,000 Indian restaurants, and 14,000 Indian restaurants is the backbone of the restaurants are the chefs. Nobody wants to recognize the chefs. And in 1995, I've won so many accolades over the years. In 3 decades, I've been in the hospitality industry, and nobody recognized the chefs. And in 1995, I won an award called Hot Stuff Chef of the Year, and that was nationally recognized. After winning that award, it gave me immense pleasure to recognize our chefs. Nobody wants to know the back of our. They work day and night, tirelessly, but everybody thinks about the boss, the entrepreneurship, but who does the actual cooking 3-4 o'clock in the morning? So I thought of recognizing these champions. All chefs are champions in our right. They are all winners. Every competition we held over last 2015 and 2017, in my eyes, they were the winners. And I salute them because they have created a buzz in our industry. So what I did the first one we did in 2015, recognizing this chef. The first one was held at Binley Hall in Birmingham, very successful. After giving the recognition, each chef, they said how good they felt, how the restaurant was busy, how they were doing very good numbers, and they needed to be recognized regularly. Then we did one in 2017, and that was a bumper award as well. So then after a couple of years later, I got busy myself doing other things, and then COVID hit. We couldn't do anything during COVID. And after the COVID, I've been getting a lot of calls, and a lot of the restaurants are going in a dire situation with a lot of the restaurants are closing down, they can't get skilled chefs, and where do we go? And I said to them, look, we will do MasterChef again, we will promote chefs across the country, and we will elevate our business. But as you know, Britain at the moment is not the best time we are in. We've had so much problem with the COVID, the business has been affected. Then we had energy bills. Energy bill is one of the main target of closing our restaurants down. I'm coming back to the start, but the energy bill, I don't know if anybody from parliamentary or government are hearing. A lot of our business, small businesses, we're not big massive businesses. We don't turn over millions, we turn over in hundreds of thousands. We are the backbone of the businesses. And if we don't survive, then nobody's going to survive. And I see that if anybody can talk in the parliamentary to cut down energy bill, that's most important, because the energy bill is killing the gas, the utility bill, and of course, business rates. If you're in the high street, you are paying phenomenal amount of business rate. And then we have other expenses as well. We have a new platform called Just Eat, Deliveroo. They're taking 30% of our businesses. Now we guys working for what percentage are we working? I think sometimes we're just working free. There's nothing there to us to take back home. So we have to work together. We have to collaborate together. We have to be united. If we are not united under one platform, I believe MasterChef can give one platform, one voice. Hence why I've been working, MasterChef has been going for a good nearly number of about over 25 years. And I will mention one very individual very close to me, my brother. He's the founder. And he's here, his name is Ashik Ali, and he will say a few words. And he knows the struggle we've gone through to only promote our industry. I don't want to take a lot of your time, but we were going to let other speakers to say their mind, and then there'll be a Q&A session. And if you want to ask any question, if there's any way we can improve ourselves and we can improve to our restaurateurs, we're happy to engage with you. Thank you very much.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone. I don't have anything to say much. My brother already told you all, and I hope you enjoy the food and everything else. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Rois. Good evening, everybody, and thank you for inviting me to say a few words. Obviously, I didn't come to make a speech today. This is the night where we do the press launch for the awards Rois and his brother set up some years ago. But Rois, if you know him, is one of the stars of Coventry, definitely one of the biggest stars from the Bengali community in Coventry. And I know Rois for 25 plus years, probably much more than that, when he became famous, him and his brother both became famous for opening the Rupali restaurant in Coventry, where their success with the blessings of everybody here and Allah, of course, they made their fortune, as Rois has told us, from there. I believe they were the first restaurant in Coventry, began
Birmingham, Warwickshire, Staffordshire, Shropshire, East Midlands, Black Country, North East, North West, London, South East, South West, Wales, Scotland, Ireland, and a Restaurant of the Year International. We'll also have a vegetarian Restaurant of the Year this year.
And I want to say especially to our Bengali brothers and sisters in this city, in this country, you've done more for community relationship through your hospitality, through your restaurant, because you meet people from host community and you made a difference with community relationship, and that is a credit to your community and you make us very proud.
So guys, this is the team this year behind MasterChef Promotions. So everything that we've done so far has become part of the team, and this team will take this event further up until the day we execute the successful event. So I want to thank everybody here for all their support.
I just want to say that it's an absolute pleasure to be part of MasterChef Promotions. Rois and I go back best part of 30 years. Rois Ali is definitely an entrepreneur that needs to be recognized. And I think personally that one of these awards needs to go to Rois. I've seen Rois develop into the business world from a very young age.
As a young person, as a young entrepreneur, we should look up to him as a successful businessman. What he achieved is great for our community, Asian community, and British society in general.
I'm not actually a great speaker like the guys just have been spoken. You've done really well. What I'm going to say, teamwork is a dream work. Okay? We can't do the dream work until we have the full support from the media team, and that's the press release is about that today.
I do the social media side of it. Well, I've been doing it most of it. But we've got a few of the social media who are going to be connecting more people throughout the whole of UK and obviously beyond as well. But we need to also, we've got the press media as well. They also need to connect with the MasterChef Promotions and all the social media that we have, all the platform, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also TikTok follow as well. So that's what we need to do. And this is a new generation that we need to inspire us. And the only way to do it, platform, is using the social media. So hopefully we'll give you all the connections, and then I want individually everybody to share for MasterChef Promotions and all the contents that we do.
It's nice to be MasterChef program is very nice and they organize beautifully. Signature dish was their cooking life is with front of camera is cooking is more excited, more professional.
So excited moment.
Yeah, I was a runner-up.
Runner-up.
Yeah.
In this year, are you attending?
I'm hoping.
Are you participating?
Yeah, I'm gonna participate. I'm hoping I'm gonna be entered this year as well. So let's see how thing goes. I don't know yet. I'm gonna have to make my own dish and
just you making mindset.
Yeah, mindset, because I do know a lot of dish round, so I don't know which one.
Okay, wish you all the best, Fizil.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
So he is the chief CEO of the MasterChef Promotion Program. Sir, based on the last year experience, what's your expectation of this year?
Well, MasterChef Promotion has been going for over 3 decades. We've been promoting hospitality, South Asian restaurants, and each year is getting bigger and better. And my expectation is getting over 1,000 guests and chefs entering the restaurant. We've got 30 categories, and out of 30 categories, there's going to be Chef of the Year, there's going to be new entrepreneurs, there's going to be new Chef of the Year competition, and a national winner and international winner. So we've got quite a lot of categories to fill in. But I think every year I can see there's a huge growth. People need to be recognized. People need to be crowned. They need to see their success. And a lot of restaurants, they are really feel wait for the award ceremonies. So I think this year is going to be one of the best year ever, and a lot of people are entering our competition. They've already said that previous years when they win the competition, how their business was really excel well, and they did really good turnover. So by getting an award, they feel that they will gain more businesses. And with the current situation, with the current climate, as you know, we are in a very difficult times with the hospitality industry, because with the interest rate gone up, with the platform of Deliveroo, Uber Eats, there's a lot of expense, and them to make any money is tough. So they have to have some sort of platform how they can promote their business. And I think the MasterChef Promotion is the platform where they will elevate their business, and they'll get recognition, and the business will excel.
So thank you so much. And will you explain more in detail who wants to participate in this MasterChef Promotion? What's the main procedure?
The beauty about MasterChef Promotion is not a particular cuisine. It's not just curry or South Indian curry. Anybody who is a chef, who is who believes that he's cooked, and he's cooked good dishes, then he can enter the competition. So once he enters the competition, he needs to have his followers. So it could be his customers from the restaurant or his friends, family. They can go into our website and they can vote particular restaurant or particular chef.
So how many days it will run?
It will run for at least 6 to 8 weeks, and after that there will be a cut-off point, and then we will find out in each region how many votes have each restaurant has achieved, and it will be very, very transparent. So it will just go first, second, third. So there'll be say for example in Birmingham, there's going to be 3 chefs. So there's going to be 1 would be the winner and 2 would be the runner-up. They will all get accolade, they will all get recognized, they'll be all publicized in the local social media, newspaper and news. So they will get the kudos. Long as people see that they've heard of a restaurant in their locality has won an award, they will go and try it. Social media is so important for a lot of the new restaurants, is they need to be known. I mean, I know even the old restaurants, they don't advertise, but once they advertise, people next door neighbor, they haven't heard about them. Advertising is very important, and getting an award, that's a platform, that's about media coverage, that's about advertising yourself, that's about telling other people how good you are. So if your customer is telling you how good you are, other customers say, right, they're not saying how good they are, the customers are telling. So that's a very good review, and this is how we kept it this year. It's a customer choice. So if the customer, whichever restaurant they go to, they can vote in.
Okay, there will be a voting round. How many stages have to pass for the voting round?
There's no stages. As long as you get the most votes, that's fine. So, for example, in the West
From the starting?
Starting with 1, it could be up to 1 million votes. So it depends where you are. So your restaurant may have, say, 1 million views.
I mean, the voting round will start from the starting phase?
Starting phase, yeah.
Voting
so
round.
From today, they can go to www.masterchefpromotion.com and they can start voting their particular restaurant. So one email, they can vote various restaurants. So they may like one in Coventry, they may like one in Manchester, they may like one in elsewhere, which they've tried. They can vote all these areas.
Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.
Thank you for having me.
Okay guys, so today, MasterChef Promotion press launch today. Amazing turnout, okay? 2024 November, okay? It's going to be a big event. Please support us. We've got Rois Mama here. We've got every members here as well, and please support us. Without your support, it's not going to happen. So please come forward and support us.
Guys, MasterChef is back on again. Okay, so
main man, Rois will be there. And I know a lot of people wants to come and see Rois Pie. He'll be there, I'll be there. Looking forward to seeing you on 25th of November. Take care and please nominate yourself. Looking forward to seeing you.
This will also open doors for the younger generations to come to the hospitality sector. So hopefully this will open a lot of doors for the youngsters in the future. So please support MasterChef Promotion 2024. Thank you very much.